Are you losing deals because your wardrobe is saying the wrong thing? Your clothing is a powerful tool. Let's craft a realtor style that screams success. Starting with the cornerstone of professional attire, the suit, opt for classic colors like navy, charcoal gray, or even a subtle pinstripe. Ensure it's tailored perfectly. A well-fitted suit speaks volumes about attention to detail, a trait your clients will appreciate. Next, the dress shirt. Stick with solid colors like white or light blue for maximum versatility. A crisp, well-ironed shirt is non-negotiable. Consider subtle patterns for added flair, but avoid anything too loud or distracting. The tie is your opportunity to inject personality. Choose silk ties in conservative patterns like stripes, dots, or paisleys. Match the tie to the colors of the shirt and suit. Ensure the width of the tie complements your lapel. Don't overlook your footwear. Polished leather dress shoes, such as Oxfords or loafers, are essential. Black or brown are the safest choices. Coordinating with your belt, keep them clean and well-maintained. Scuffed shoes are a major turnoff. Finally, remember, confidence is the best accessory. When you dress the part, you feel the part. Projecting professionalism and competence will not only elevate your image but also close more deals. Subscribe for more real estate style tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what other realtor style questions you have.